let's make an adorable holiday bag. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know. And if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so I used this stuff. It's Jolene's Easy Image. I'm telling you, it's awesome. And I used the dark one. I made my image in this graphic I made in Canva. And I used an offset and I cut it with my Cricut. But you could just cut yours out normally. And then I take it off of the mat. Here's a tip for you. Bend the mat to take off your stuff. It's easy peasy. Then I found these little bags at Michael's for $1. So we're going to use that. I also have some parchment paper. And I'm going to be using my Easy Press. What you want to do first is to iron your bag. You want to get all the wrinkles out. You could use, by the way, you can use a regular iron for this. You don't need an Easy Press or a heat press. It's fine. So, all right. So we're going to iron the space where we're going to put our image. Here's our image. There's a backer on it. And again, I'm using the one for dark fabrics. I know it sounds crazy that I'm putting it on white, but it was just easier. If you read the directions on this joker, you'll see it's easier to just do it on the dark fabric one. So take the backer off and then center it however you want it. Yes, use a ruler if you want to do that. Put your parchment paper over your image, and then we're going to iron it or use a heat press, whichever. I'm using my heat press, and I pressed it at 350 degrees for 90 seconds. If you're using a at-home iron, then the directions say to do cotton high for 90 seconds to a minute and I think 120 seconds or something like that. But I assume that it's fine either way if you do 90 seconds. I don't know, whatever. I put a little pressure to mine too. So then I take the heat press off, take my parchment paper off, and it's got to cool, right? But I was surprised. I thought that you would be able to, I thought it was going to be like a sticker. It's not. You can't feel where the image begins and the bag ends. Like you can't feel the end. It's awesome. Anyways. Then I take these little pom-poms and again, wait until your image has cooled. Then I'm using Fabric Fusion. You could use any other glue, I would assume. I'm using a pair of tweezers because for some reason, these pom-poms, I can't hold on to them. So I use the tweezers just to place it on our O part of our oh dear. And look at, it's a little Rudolph nose. Of course, we're not going to stop there. Do you remember those pom-poms we made the other day with the Dollar Tree pom-pom maker? Well, the big one, this is like the 2-inch one that I made. We're going to put a knot at the top of those strings, and then we're going to add it to the handle because stop. Look at how cute it looks. I will be clear about something. This bag would look much better as a dark bag. Agreed, 1000%. A red bag, this is going to be amazing. But I had a white bag, so we do with what we can, right? But look at how cute this is. You could put gifts in this. You could carry it around for the holiday season, go shopping with it. Stop. I love it so much. You can even use it as a stocking. Stop it. Oh, I might do that for my children. Anyways, I digress. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.